mental health, yeah. He's how I feel inside. He's doing his best, but he's a little unstable. His limbs are volatile. He's crying for help, but he's trying to smile, and that's the mood of Easter term, I think, for most.
So the event on tonight is an event called Art for Mental Health, and the idea behind it is that it's like a very chilled out environment where students can get together and create art that isn't necessarily about judging how high a standard it is. It's just about being mindful and engaging in arts therapy. I think often running events can be a bit of a stressful process, but this is actually the type of event that is most fun for me to do, because people just come in. There's not really an element of public speaking or kind of performing in any sort of way, and I'm not very good at art myself, so often I find that I learn things from other students, which is really nice.
So I really enjoyed teaching people knitting. I'm not very good at knitting myself, but it's been really nice to watch other people learn how to do it for the first time, and kind of getting people into quite a nice rhythm, and so they're getting used to it, and then once they pick it up, it's nice watching people complete rows and casting off and things like that.
So I used to do art quite low-key before, but then I decided I wanted to actually be in an exhibition. So I went for the BME Third Space exhibition, and I put some of my watercolours on display, which is great. And then I was in the Wimcan Survival exhibition, where I also had some of my watercolours put on display. Really scary, actually, because you feel as though everyone's judging you, but it's actually quite a good experience to be out in the open as well.